What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you how you can easily hide or unhide the archived chat in this Telegram. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So if you wanna archive this group or this chat personal with your friend, so you can simply slide this contact to the left like this, and it's gonna show up here the archived folder chat that contains the contact or group that you are archiving. And if you want to hide it, then you can click and hold it until you find the option down here, hide above the list. Select it, and now this archived folder is already fully hidden. And how can we unhide this archived folder or the archived chat? Don't worry, because you can simply scroll your screen down like this or pull it down like this until it's gonna release the archived chat, and then you can simply open it, or if you want to, just click and hold it until you find the three dots over here and click this Unarchive. Super simple, right? So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.